Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Land Rover Defender, full guide. Park both vehicles close but not touching and switch off engines, lights, and accessories. Connect red clamp to positive terminal on dead battery, then donor battery positive. Attach black clamp to donor battery negative, then to a grounded metal part on the Defender away from the battery. Once clamps are secure, ensure all connections are tight and wires are clear of moving parts. Start the donor vehicle and let it run for a few minutes to charge the Defender battery. Try starting the Defender. If it turns over, leave both vehicles idling for several minutes to stabilize electrical systems. If it does not start, repeat charging for a longer period or seek professional help. Turn off both engines before removing jumper cables and remove clamps in reverse order to prevent sparks. Keep the Defender running and monitor instrument lights and charging voltage if you can. If warning lights persist, schedule a battery and alternator check to avoid being stranded, and always dispose of old batteries properly at a recycling location to protect the environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.